We are Whippany Actuation Systems. We make electromechanical actuation for the aerospace and defense industries. We've been in business since 1947. We have 170 employees working here. We have some strong challenges related to productivity. Obviously, we're always looking to advance our manufacturing capabilities and become world class. So we needed to add capacity to our shop. One of the options in adding capacity would be to add another machine, and then another option would be to add robotics to be able to do unattended machining.
The operator had to open the door, reach in, take the part out, put the part in, close the door, hit the button. Now it's automated.
The integration with the universal robot to the robotique gripper is super simple. You just plug in the USB, you load the drivers, and you're up and running. The robotique gripper is a perfect fit for this opportunity because it's an adaptive gripper. You set it and it'll do its job. And since we have different size parts, it'll open and close using the same parameters, and it'll make sure it's gripped the part. And then when we're in the program changing it, we don't have to change any of the gripper points. We're always opening, we're always closing, and we're always loading the parts.
The robot safety, I feel fairly comfortable with it. When it first came in, there was a lot of stuff on the internet about robots actually hurting people, and it was a little concerned, but finding this robot is no problem at all. It has bumped into me, it has hit different parts, and it just shuts itself off. It's not scary at all.
Added capacity, of course, we certainly see that as a goal that we've achieved. We've added the additional capacity by being able to run the machine during unattended hours, but it's also freed up skilled workers to do other tasks as opposed to loading and unloading a machine. It frees them up to do more value-added activity.
Where I can get the machine running, do my part to get it running, and once it's up and running, the robot keeps it running, and I just check it throughout the run.
Having the ability to move the robot from one machine to another and do it in a quick manner where we could just pop a couple of locating pins in the floor and be able to get up and running quickly was a huge consideration and one of the benefits we were able to realize with this universal system.
Well, I think we're going to see an impact, a benefit to our margins. We're running machines now that weren't running before when the lights were out. We have plans on implementing additional robots. We've already targeted 2 other cells that we're going to be implementing robotics in. Involving employees in this technology only strengthens our workforce.